recording. So let's test. Hello, test purpose. Welcome to 5 minute solution how to call record your iPhone. So in latest iOS 18 you can record it automatically. Make sure you are updating with latest ISO. Go to your software update, then you can see the latest iOS 18. I already updated. And another thing, make sure you are not connected with any VPN. Now make a call. So I'm making a call to check. Let's receive it. Then if you go there, then you can see top right corner this icon. You have to press on this icon and this call will be recorded. Now recording. So let's test. Hello, test purpose. It's recording both sides, and this user not notified you record your call or not. Once done, press on stop and it will be record with your notes. Recorded. Now recording. So let's test. So that's it. Thank you. Have a good day.